you go, my love, I'll think I'm yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day they'll grow, and I want to hold your hands when it is cold.
sure that's like a hickory or something. And the shit won't break. This ain't but 14-pound test string. This shit is strong as fuck. That's all I use is string, mono. This shit is super strong. Look at this beauty. I want to give a shout out to Zoom Baits. Them flukes work, man. Look at this thing. I never thought in a million years I'd get something like this. This is definitely a wall hanger, for sure. Got all type of frog eggs on it. Tadpoles already hatched. Got some bass eggs. You can't beat it. We're gonna let this thing go. Whew. Shout out Abu Garcia, Strand Fishing Line, shit is strong. And also Zoom Baits. Them doggone flukes, man, I'm telling you, they catch anything. You hear me? Them flukes will catch anything. Anything is possible. Look like a warmouth. Just a little bitty hole. He inhaled this damn thing. Pretty, real pretty. Hopefully I got that on camera. Yeah, bring it to you. Broke off. I just got broke off by a fish. Alright, yo. Google Maps let me down. Either Google Maps or myself, but this water is like 3 feet deep. And in some spots you can see straight to the bottom. I looked on Google Maps to find the spot, and it said it was some type of lake. It said it was a lake, and on the map it looks real juicy. So I just drove over here not knowing if I was gonna get kicked out or somebody gonna call a SWAT team or a helicopter's gonna be following me around. But I took a chance because I try to find like different spots to fish every now and again. I saw some bass, but they were like, man, I don't even think an inch board. You could have laid them on an inch board. They were so small. But I figured, hell, if it's baby bass in here, it got to be at least 1 2-pounder in here. At least one. I didn't see no signs or nothing. I see a lot of bait moving. That's why I was throwing this fluke around. And I got a lot of followers from the little bitty bass, little baby fluke bass. But I tried it. Google Maps let me down. This piece of shit. I don't even know if this might be a damn drain off to the city or something. I don't know. But most definitely ain't got no fish in it. Because the day is too perfect for me not to catch a fish. And I know I can catch a fish out of a 5-gallon bucket. So it can't be me. Can't be me. Google Maps, you suck. You suck. You suck. I fished this whole entire pond, lake, whatever you want to call it, drain off, drainage, sewer, whatever. I fished the whole entire thing. And not one single bass lives here. Well, that's all for the day, folks. It's not hot, but it's getting humid. I can't breathe. I'm fat, you know. My fatness can't take all this not wind blowing atmosphere. Again, I want to thank y'all for watching. Like I said, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Fishing Habit. Like me on Facebook.